This incident has prompted some parties to call for the deployment of soldiers to assist police crack down on illegal mining activities.
These zamazamas are a law unto themselves. Communities are traumatized. The disaster of a gas leak in Boksburg, where 17 people lost their lives, could have been avoided if the government has listened to us when we were calling upon government to deploy the South African National Defence Force to assist the police in rooting out this illegal mining.
Some are calling for the tightening of legislation dealing with the use of gas.
Parliament also needs to exercise far greater oversight over why so little is being done to stop illegal mining in our country. Far more needs to be done to protect innocent citizens from the dangers inherent in using gas cylinders as well.
Others say any intervention to address illegal mining must be done speedily.
We need a comprehensive strategy that will be able to deal holistically with all the challenges of illegal mining. But there is also a need for a sense of urgency in addressing some of the issues that relate to illegal mining.
Luzipo says illegal mining poses a threat to national security due to the complex nature of the criminal acts associated with it. Lula Mamatya, SABC News, Parliament.